Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be doing a video a little bit different than what I normally do, but it's still related to hair. I'm going to be doing a review of some curly clip-ins from CURLSQUEEN. So they sent a few things over in addition to the hair. This is a cute little pouch, a detangling brush. This is cute, see? Some extra clips in case you want to extend clip-ins. I don't know. I never had clip-ins before, so I'm not 100% sure. A little bonnet. Okay, it's kind of cute. For the hair, so it comes in this little bag. These are the clip-ins. They're super thick. Oh my gosh. This kind of is heavy. So I'm excited to try them out. Smells just like weave, how weave smells when you buy it. But the curls are so defined already. It's pretty cool. So does this, oh, maybe this does look like my hair a little bit. Okay, well, that's just the intro, and I'll see you when I'm washing the clip-ins and installing them. So BRB.
Okay guys, so even though they sent me the clip-ins, I never said I knew how to do hair. So I asked my cousin if she can help me install them, and she said yes. So what we're doing is a middle part style with the clip-ins. So right now she's just parting my hair and gonna part out the leave out for the middle part and then some parts on the edges for that leave out section. Okay, I don't know why it was such an abrupt transition, but yes, so now she's going to start installing the clip-ins. I didn't ask exactly, but I think she did the 4 clips at the bottom and then the 3 clips. Oh wait, oh, it's in my hair now, so I can't even tell you how it came, but I think it came 2 4 clips, 2, no, maybe it came 4 with the 4 clips, then 2 with the 3 clips, and then 2 with 2 clips. I think that's how it came. But it was enough to do my entire head, and I still had one weft with 2 clips left over. Oh my gosh, do you guys see how full and dense and thick this hair is? Oh my gosh. And like I said, she had 1 clip left over, even though it was like a smaller clip or a smaller weft with only 2 clips. This is only 7 wefts, and this is only 1 pack of hair. That's so crazy. So now she's just taking down the braids from the middle part leave out, and she's gonna start blending with the clip-ins. And oh my gosh, wait till you guys see the final blend at the end. You're in for a surprise.
with gel and the curl cream, and then this side is nothing in it actually, only the curl cream in my natural hair. So, oh my gosh, it looks so cute. Okay, now I guess okay guys, we're done. Look at that. Look, can you even tell me where my actual hair starts? No, it's literally blended to perfection. This texture matches so well. It's amazing. I love it. What do you guys think? 10 out of 10 or 9 out of 10? But yeah, that's basically it. So Thanks for watching this video, and thanks again to CURLSQUEEN for sending me these clip-ins. I really appreciate it and I love them. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. See you later.